Hi guys! Okay, today is November 26th. So traditionally, USA celebrating Thanksgiving, Americans. So since my employer is American people, so they are celebrating today. So they are asking me to make the best mashed potato in the world. But I bake also cornbread. So cornbread is a healthy choice of kind of bread. So now let's go and cook mashed potato. Ta-ra!
Do you want to know? Do you want to know?
4-pound potatoes, 3 crushed garlic, 3 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of milk, fresh milk. That's all the recipe. The ingredients of the best mashed potato for Thanksgiving celebration. Okay, potato. Butter. Garlic. Just put all together. Rosemary. Yogurt. So yogurt. And milk. Just put it together, and then the salt is one by one. Okay, mash it. This is the best way how to mash your potato. Mash it till it's finally cornbread for Thanksgiving party mamaya.